station. Hello and welcome to Newsday on the BBC World Service with James Buckner and the program
Russia's forces. Conservation efforts in the areas animals can live in. The state government says the highway is important for mobility and would have solar lighting, cycle lanes and wildlife crossings.
Amy Wells reporting. BBC News.
Thank you so much for that news. Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you so very much for joining us here on Newsday on the BBC World Service with James Cardinal and Victoria Uwamhunda. Coming up, we have this story for you. The US-Ukraine negotiations in talks in Saudi Arabia to find a way to end the Russian war in Ukraine has yielded some results. Ukrainians say they are ready for a month-long ceasefire with Moscow has yet to announce their move. For all the comments on these and the other stories that we cover, you can reach us on WhatsApp and text. Our number is +44 77 86 20 50 85. And lending a helping hand to a friend, President Trump jumps to Elon